Hello, my name is Wizlinda Zidor, and this is the week 5 video presentation for our team project from Fresh Market Hope. I'm alone on that video. Why? It is because on for our team project, me and my teammate Joseph, we divide the task per week. This week 5, I do the all assignment, and six week in next week, my teammate will do the all assignment, and this is why I'm here to do the video presentation for our team project. Okay, so let's begin. This project is an APA for managing local farmers market data. Our backend handle vendors, products, orders, and reviews. In this video, I will demonstrate the two collections I was responsible for, vendors and products, including code operations and APA documentation. First, I created a new Node.js project with Express, set up MongoDB Atlas for the database, and followed the MVC pattern for structure. I created Mongoose models for vendors and products and connected everything to a live deployment to on Wonder, as you can see. And our live APA documentation is available at that link you see here. So I implemented full code operation for both collections. First of all, let's see. Let's say no. Let's say for vendors, for example, I will make a quick demonstration for vendor to see if everything is okay very quickly because we don't have too much time for recording. Okay. Okay. First of all, this is the get for the vendors. Okay, as you can see, I have my whole list here. And then let's say we want to add a new vendor. Okay, as you can see, I had a new vendor. And then I want to say, I will, let's say, let me take the ID because it's very important for us to update or delete. Okay, I want to update that. Let's say instead of green, let's say gray. Exactly. We updated of green to gray. And then let's say let's delete that and then send delete. Okay, so if I want to go on, um, 1 second. Okay, if I were to go here, this is for the products. As you can see, the get show the all list product. And if I want to make a new a product, for example, a new product, and then I want to say, okay, for that product, I will Control C. I will update that product to update it. Control V, and then offset 8, let's say 9 for the price, and then yes, it's 9 right now. And if I want to delete that, delete, yes. So right now, after you see the whole code, so now let's look at the Swagger documentation. The documentation is fully set up using Swagger UI and describes all the vendor and product endpoints, including parameters, request body schemas, and example response. It is very important to know that at this stage we have not implemented authentication yet. As you can see here, the zero auth will be added next week by my teammate Joseph as part of his week 6 task. So for now, all auths are open and can be tested directly on Thunder client. Okay, So all would include, let me show you here. All would include basic validation and error handling. For example, if I submit a product with an invalid vendor ID, I get invalidation validation error. Let's see. I will show you. Let's say 8, for example. I will show you that. Let's see, post. Mm, I'm sorry because I didn't what the, let's say that. Okay, as you can see, because I put in a valid vendor ID, this is why it's like that. So this ensures the database stay clean and user get helpful feedback. Okay, so um here are the contribution I complete this week. I create the GitHub repo and Bash project structure. I design Mongo's model for vendor and product, implemented and test all get and post root for both collection, deployed to vendor and figured MongoDB, wrote all Swagger documentation for vendors and product. So next week, my teammate Joseph will add authentication, secure the roots, and begin crude for orders and reviews. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to showing more progress next week. Bye.